Thank you for giving us this opportunity to gather here and to witness what is happening today. I am aware that the governor of the state has given us something for Christmas, and we have distributed it accordingly without any rancor or disagreement. Permit me, on behalf of the leadership of Wike-Fubara local government, to congratulate His Excellency Sir Mile-1 DSSRS for his kind gesture, and to also thank you for ensuring that there is no disagreement whatsoever in sharing this. But I know that what you are doing, if you had consulted with the Honorable Minister, you would not have permitted this public show. And so I salute your courage for gathering us here to tell us that the Honorable Minister F.C.T. have gifted to party faithfuls and the good people of Wike-Fubara local government 2,000 bags of rice and the sum of money. Because it's money, let me not announce that, so that some of you who are living here will not be attacked by the kind of people along the road. I will not mention that. Why I thank you is because, like I said the last time when I had my Thanksgiving, it is not easy for you to see people publicly acknowledge what they've benefited in politics, especially when you are no more in office. As a major player in the New Rivers vision, I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that today will be the 11th year that the Honorable Minister has done Christmas or has to give people Christmas since 2012. Then he was Minister of State Education. He has been given, even in year 2020 when there was COVID, he ensured that party supporters had something for Christmas. But we live in a world where people take today, tomorrow they say they didn't get again. I've seen in social media where some people are saying, oh God, since they joined politics, this is the first time they are seeing rice in Christmas. I ask myself, are these people also members of, are they in River State? And then I am saying that since 2012, December, when the Minister FCT, His Excellency SYMFONI, he has continuously, consistently giving bags of rice, sometimes cow with money, to 23 local government areas and 319 wards in River State. So let it be on record that I said so. And so what is happening today is not surprising to us. We thank him, and let me also, on behalf of the leadership, convey our sincere gratitude to him, because we know that he will also do more. Ordinarily, I wouldn't have used this platform to reply anybody, because some of the people who are even speaking or who are writing do not even deserve any response. But for the fact that sometimes, because the minister has said, no, I don't want anybody to say anything, I don't want anybody to mobilize and come to the stage, people keep being misinformed. And because they are misinformed, they may think that the falsehood that is being dished out to them is the truth. I heard someone, I can't even remember his name again, I don't know why I don't even remember these people's name, say that they are going to open Mile-1 market. That their own government is the one that will open market for people, and people were clapping. I don't know the person, I don't know whether the person is from Rivers. Anyway, the important thing, let me remind Rivers people that as Minister of State Education in 2013, Mile-1 market got burned. Let it also be on record that His Excellency the SYMFONI did not send anybody to burn Mile-1 market for any political reason. But because of the sympathy and empathy he has for his people, he flew down from Abuja. We then remember representing Port Harcourt Federal Constituency, Goma and Segbe, and the national chairman of PDP, Asaden Alhaji Ahmadu Muazu, who was former governor of Bauchi State. And he provided funds, reasonable amount of money to the traders. and promised those traders that he was going to rebuild that market if given opportunity to be the governor of Rivers State. I said 2013. That was when that market got burned. The Honorable Minister became governor in 2015. Of course, you are aware that there was a government between that 2013 and 2015. And the market was not rebuilt. He became governor in 2015 and initiated the process of rebuilding Mile-1 market. And to the glory of God, that market was completely rebuilt. And he commenced the process of balloting to enable the traders go back to the market. Mile-1 Traders Association, listen, Mile-1 Traders Association went to court to stop that balloting process, saying that until those of them who originally traded or whatever their claims were, the market should not be allocated. That is why you see that Mile-1 market under lock and key till dates.
In accordance with court order.
In accordance with court order and obedience to rule of law. If you have done otherwise, they say, oh, he does not obey the law. The governor of Rivers State today, Wike-Fubara, is aware. I recall that sometime in June, he had asked the mayor of Port Harcourt, to bring those association members so that he will open up negotiation with them with a view to reopening the market. So what is all the hula ballo of someone coming to say they want to open market? Open which market? And nobody is remembering a man who showed love to people when the market got burnt. Nobody is remembering a man who promised to rebuild a burnt market and actually rebuild the burnt market. So why am I saying this? If our council chairman didn't call us today to say the minister has brought rice, I am sure that even tomorrow, some people will stand up to say they've never seen rice from anybody or from the governor. When the rice came from the governor, he informed us. And that's why we are thanking the governor today. Now it has come from the minister. We're also standing as a people to say, thank you, minister. But I want to inform Rivers people that for 8 years, a lot happened in these states. The essence of governance. Government itself is a continuum. Every successive administration must have something to do. When the one administration finishes, the other one continues from somewhere. Because if you allow one government to finish everything, then there will be nothing again. There will not even be any essence for election or anything. So it is not proper that we have a new administration today and we want to discard everything that was done by the previous administration. And the so-called elders of Rivers State are not saying anything. They are not talking. Rather, they are fanning the embers of discord and war. It is very, very unfair and most unfortunate. I read on social media on Boxing Day 26th, someone said, oh, this is the first time Rivers people are witnessing Christmas party for children. Is that also true? That in the last 8 years there was no Christmas party. So for the first time, the Rivers government is being decorated. Is that also true? So why should people go this low? That is my question. Why should people go this low? This present administration is consolidation and continuity. So we are consolidating on the achievements of the previous administration. Can't take them one after the other. Maybe a week or a couple of weeks ago, some people were on the street that they are labor leaders. And for the first time, Rivers State government has given workers 100,000 naira for Christmas. Yes, I agree with them. But the previous administration did not disband labor movements or trade unionism in Rivers State during their tenure. Let me put it on record that there is a woman years a week as governor built a secretariat for Nigerian Labour Congress and the TUC. During the leadership of our sister, Comrade Beatrice Otubo of NLC, I remember Comrade Jonah of TUC, and one of them who even led that movement, Emeka of the Union Negotiating Council. Yes, they gathered and recognized the former governor and gave him an award. The award plaque is sitting in his library today. They called him Mile-1 of Nigerian Labour Congress. And so, if a new governor, there is a structure now, there's a secretariat, there's a meeting place. Do we expect the present governor to build that? No. We expect him to consolidate on what the previous administration has done. All we should do is to applaud the governor and also remember that the previous government have done something. So I don't think we should live with this attitude of nothing good came from the past 8 years. I don't want to call that name. Please, I'm advising us, now that we have Chidi Lloyd, not when he lives here tomorrow, or next tomorrow, or next tomorrow, or the other day, you said there was never Chidi Lloyd. Nobody like Chidi. What did he do for Emeka? He has brought us today, want to carry rice. We'll eat and we'll be happy. It would have been possible for him to even put this rice in his house and corner it. Let's learn the spirit of gratitude. With that, we will grow, we will live. That is my advice for us today. Mr. Chairman, I thank you for all you have done for us. I thank His Excellency the Governor for consolidating on the achievements of his predecessor in office. I want to appeal, like the state acting chairman of PDP has appealed, all those people who think that the only way to survive is to cause problems between brothers. But very unfortunately, those who did not contribute anything, who did not even believe that the governor will ever be governor or that Wike will produce a successor, are the ones who are firing this. I've been asking myself, what do they intend to achieve? I have not come up with that answer. But I'm joining the state party chairman to appeal to everyone to allow Rivers State to remain in peace. If we get from center, because we have our brother, the minister at the center, and we get from the state, dividends of democracy will spread not Akaka. Obi Ayasa. So that we don't cause a division that will not allow some people to go to government house and then some other people will not go to Abuja. Is it fair? No. Isn't it fair? So, I know that this is a very peaceful local government. We are people that will obey the law. Our leaders have said PDP is one. Until otherwise, we will also follow. So let everybody melembe. Everybody melembe. And make out. Mr. Chairman, thank you for the opportunity.